Welcome back. Another trip to the park. It's Woods Park, Powell, Wyoming. It's very close to my house. It's very boring. I'm bored of flying it. But this is the only way I get to fly during the week. My kid is at a friend's house. This is basically next door. She knows where I am. The snow's mostly gone now, but still a decent bit of ground cover. But it's better than nothing. And it's about the right size. There's some obstacles. I'm still kind of learning a little bit of control. So, I'm doing this just for practice. Hopefully once it warms up, once I get a little bit better, and once I finally get a full-size quad, I'll go out more on the weekends, have fun. But for now, we're going to do this. Got a little ambitious. Gonna go recover it. Finally recording one of my recoveries, so we get to see together if I destroyed my drone. I don't think so. It's a tough drone. I didn't hit too fast, but never know. Oh, I was just in the completely wrong spot. Oh, I thought I was gonna find it in snow again. No, there it is. Alright, well, I just about toasted that battery. Looks okay though. No damage I can see. Let's swap out the batteries and head over to the park for some tree flying.